Chapter 14 Our Human Resources. India is blessed with many natural resources, but these natural resources cannot be helpful to us if they are not utilized in a proper manner. To utilize these resources, we need people who are intelligent, skilled, and educated. People having these qualities will prove to be a boon to the country. So, the people of a country are the most important resource of a country. They are our human resources. As you know, India was under the British rule for many years. It got independence in 1947. After it became free, the government took steps for the progress of our country. New schools, colleges, training centers, and hospitals were opened. This has improved the living standard of people. But a lot remains to be done. Half of our population is very poor. They do not have enough food. They do not have proper houses to live in. What's the reason for this? The reason is the rapid growth of our population. Today India's population is more than 130 crores. It has more than doubled since independence. Look at the map of India, showing its population density. The plains and deltas are thickly populated. Desert and hilly areas are thinly populated. 3 out of 4 Indians live in villages. People from villages move to cities in search of work. They have to live in very poor conditions as cities cannot cope up with such a large number of people. They have to live in slums. Their living conditions are very bad. The rising population is causing shortage of food, housing, water supply, and other essential needs. This is affecting the economic growth of our country. To check the migration of villagers to cities, the government is providing job opportunities in the villages. To eradicate illiteracy, schools have been opened in villages. Adult education is helping illiterate persons to become educated. Educated people know the benefits of a small family. If India has to become a developed country, it will have to improve the quality of people's lives. Only well-educated, healthy, and efficient people can make our country truly great. Star fact: China is the most populous country in the world. India is the second most populous country in the world.